here we are for the 25 Beer Insider Advent Calendar. What do you got?
This is from Dead Frog Brewery, the Nutty Uncle Peanut Butter Stout. I'm looking forward to this one, because I am a huge fan of peanut butter and milk stout. It should be pretty good.
I have Growers Premium Cider Blackberry.
Yeah.
Sparkling flavored cider. Ooh,
nice hits there.
Have you shown everybody your ring?
Yeah.
It's a bottle opener.
Bottle opener got from Vegas a while back. Okay. Alright, pouring a nice kind of a dark brown, almost with some amber hues. Looks good. Looks pretty carbonated. Thinking this head's going to dissipate pretty quickly. That's okay. Nice kind of almost brown, kind of tan head. Yep.
This one is from Niagara Falls, Ontario, so kind of like on the other side of Canada. Alright. Very light on the smell. As you can tell, it's not really a lot of berries in there. I think they probably just use artificial flavoring, maybe? Natural flavor. And color. So they add the color. So really it's probably just clear.
Wow. This is just insane. This actually kind of smells like a peanut butter cup. I'm actually pretty surprised. Huh. Yeah, lots of chocolate, lots of like, loads of peanut butter. Boy. Yeah, a little bit of roast, but mostly just that typical peanut butter cup smell.
Alright.
Check it out.
Again.
Wow. Yeah, that's really interesting. It drinks like a really nice smooth milk stout, and it has this chocolate. Oh, the peanut butter. It just finishes with the peanut butter. It's really nutty. Actually, really tasty. I bet I probably would drink a couple of these. This is actually pretty good. Probably one of my favorites from Dead Frog.
Good.
Yeah. Cheers.
I've had this before, so I kind of know what to expect. It's clean flavor. You get, it's not really strong in any flavor. You get the blackberry, of course, but it's not, I don't know. It's not overly strong flavored in any way. 7% alcohol.
Yeah, it says a creamy milk stout brewed with 6 premium malts, roasted cocoa beans, and peanut butter. Flavors of roasted chocolate and coffee make way for a smooth hint of peanut butter and a slightly sweet finish. So strong ale, sitting at 6.1%, 24 IBUs. Wow. Some East Kent Goldings and some Willamette in there. Okay, oh, here's a malt pale ale, Car 60, Car 120, white wheat, chocolate, black and roasted barley, and flaked oats. Wow. This is actually really interesting. I'm really surprised too. Yeah, you can see the head has dissipated. It does have a little bit of molasses in the taste there, but a lot of peanut butter. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting beer.
Good.
All right. Well, cheers.
Cheers.